Update the printer firmware from the printer control panel. The printer must be connected to a wired or wireless network with an active internet connection. On the control panel, navigate to and open the Setup menu. Select Printer Maintenance and then select Update the printer or Update firmware. Select Check Now or Check for printer updates now. If an update has already been found, select Yes to start the update. At the prompt, select Install to install the update. With the update complete, touch OK. If you want future updates to install automatically, change the printer update options. On the control panel, navigate to and open the Setup menu. Select Printer Maintenance and then select Update the printer or Update firmware. Select Manage Updates, Allow Updates, and then Yes. Select the back button, Printer Update Options, and then Install Automatically. The next time a firmware update is available, the printer will automatically install it.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.